When somebody in an interview asks you to tell me about yourself, what they're looking for is a concise description of who you are professionally. You should include your job title, your qualifications, what you know about, what your strengths are. Give an idea of the sort of results that you can achieve, and maybe round off with something about your future career direction or something particular about you. Remember, it's got to be complete, but it's also got to look spontaneous and snappy. When you're asked for your strengths in an interview, what the interviewer is most interested in particularly is your skill set. The sort of things you can do with people, information, technologies. They'd also be interested in your expertise, professional things that you know about, and maybe your contact base as well. They also want to know a bit about you as a person, how you would be described. So you have a couple of things to draw on there. When you're asked to talk about weaknesses in an interview, it's not a time to talk about personal failings. It's a time to talk about a performance problem that you've overcome on the job. Maybe you're asked to do something that you weren't trained for and you had to learn it the hard way. So it's about recovery. It's about learning. It's about going the extra mile and doing something that wouldn't come to you in the first place. When you're asked to share something particular about yourself, what's your unique point? Have something ready. Maybe it's a bit of unique experience, maybe it's a different computer language, something that you have that very few other people would be able to offer in the job interview. That'll help the interviewer to remember you. Everybody's CV is unique, so you need to find something in your record that's unique to you. When they ask you how your colleagues describe you, don't describe yourself as being brilliant or being a genius. What they really want here is something about you that nobody else can do or something that nobody else knows about. If you were the go-to person for a particular tool, technique or expertise, that's the time to land it in an interview. Why should we give you the job? What you have to do here is summarize the case maybe the HR manager has to make for filling the job. So you tell them that you've got the experience, you've got the knowledge, you've got what it takes to do the job well. Keep it concise and keep it snappy. Remember, if it's good, they'll write down every word of it. Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? Everybody groans at this question, but actually it's a wonderful question because you can show the interviewer that you understand the job, how the job's going to grow over time, that you understand how the market is going to change, and that you've thought about the job in such detail that the interviewer will say, yes, this person will fit in. I think I'll give them a chance here.